Jerry, photos by Jerry Cowart. And you're welcome, Louisa. And let's see here. So we've got, let's see, Jerry says, I've been selling something every month, and all of a sudden, I've not sold anything for the last month. My views have gone down. Where do I find the keywords pull down menu when I'm posting my items? Okay, great question, Jerry. Yeah, I agree. Jerry, you got a fantastic sunset photo right here. So obviously you are a talented photographer. So let's figure out the problem here with the keywords. I wonder if I can see your sales here. So something happened, your sales fell off. It looks like that sunset shot is your winner right there. Give it your best shot. 50-page hardcover, full color, limited edition coffee table book of 70 original photographs. Wow, that's great. Here we go. We got you taking your photos. All sorts of incredibly beautiful photos here. So I don't know if this is the one where you're saying that it really tanked. Now, again, Jerry, if I recommend changes to your listings, like if this one's doing really well, if this one's been selling, I don't know that you necessarily want to change it, but if it's not selling now, then, that is kind of a problem here. So with the keywords for something like that, all my photos have stopped selling. That's such a bummer. So a few things you can do to get your sales back up. One of them is renew your listings. And let's see this one right here, August 13th. So if your products have been doing well and they've just fallen off, then maybe what you want to do to come kind of like get some attention back on them is renew your listings. Okay. So I'm looking at this listing here because this one looks like it's been in your sales quite a bit. Your photo book, and then you've got a couple on this Mexican cowboy. You got some on these cowboy boots, but this one is definitely, one of your winners products, I would say, because it's a nice product, $50, $49. So if you want to try and get this one back out there and selling again, what I would recommend is to renew this listing really aggressively. And what you can literally do is renew this listing every day. Okay. Every time you renew a listing, it gives it a boost on Etsy search. Now, this only works if your product is like a good product, and it only works if the keywords, you can't just make something that nobody wants to buy, sell. But people obviously want to buy this because you've made a lot of sales on this. So what I would do, if it's slowed down and you're just not getting anything from it anymore, come in and renew it. And renewing your listings is so simple. I'll show you real quick. It's literally just so easy. We'll go to the shop here. You probably already know how to renew your listings, but what you could literally do is pull up your listing right here and go to renew and just renew it, and do this every single day for a week, and it's going to cost you 7 renewals times 20 cents. It's going to cost you $1.40, and you could do it. What would be better is actually do it every other day for 2 weeks straight. Every other day for 2 weeks straight, pull this listing up and renew it. And I think at the end of the 2 weeks, you'll probably get some life back into your shop. You'll start getting some of those sales back. But you could do this on all of your different all of your different products here. You've got a lot of beautiful products here, 484 different products, all sorts of different listings. Now, obviously, that's a pretty large amount. So I would focus on the ones that have been selling. So what of yours is popular? Well, we got this Mexican cowboy. This guy is popular right here. There's a little sample photo here. Here you are out there with your dog. So this one's great. All these different items. This one's been sold a few times, so you could renew that one. You could do these cowboy boots. These have sold a couple times. People are really digging these cowboy boots here. I'd love to see what all these other different, if you had photos to kind of show off a few more of these other prints, like what they would look like, that'd be really cool. I know you got quite a good handle on it, but a few more would be kind of nice too. These horses are popular. Let's see if we see any more kind of trends with your photos. Lots of horses. So people love the horses. Looks like you've sold this. Oh, okay. A horse, of course. So on this one here, I think what would actually be better keywords for this product and also for this one would be just a more clear description of what it is. So this one right here, a horse, of course, it's a cute title and it works fine if you're in a store where people are picking it up and they don't have to search anything. But if you're selling, I think this is a great product. You've basically what you should really do is pull up this product and look at what are the statistics, what are people searching for. And again, I can show you how to do that. If you pull up, let me go back. Let's check out one of my listings right here. Right here on this guy, okay? So if I go to the stats for this listing, I can come down here and I can see what are people searching for. And I can see ocean wall decal, under the sea decal, under the sea decal, underwater decal, and I got ideas for keywords. And I think for this product right here, people aren't going to be searching for a horse, of course, because nobody knows the title of that. What they will search for is horse photo book. Okay, so let's check that one out. Horse photo book. Okay. 665 results. So there's a few, nothing great. Let's try horse book. Let's just try that, horse book. Horse book, we got 12,000 results, but it is a little bit more broad. Let's try horse photos. Horse photos. So we got 19,000 results with horse photos. So that actually probably would be a great keyword. And let's see, do we have, I don't see horse photo on this one straight up. So what you want to do, Jerry, is go in and look around and search these keywords. You want to find keywords that have between like 1,000 to 30,000 results. And this one right here, horse photos, would be a great keyword for you. I probably put that number one. So for this listing, I would probably go horse photos, horse photo book. You could do horse coffee table book. You could do horse art, horse prints, and then we can try some of the other ones like equestrian. Equestrian's definitely going to be smaller because it's just such a difficult word to spell for most people. And then we could do equestrian art. But I think photos are some of your better keywords for a product like this. So on this one here, and then also on your other listing over here, which I lost, your take your best shot photo book. Same kind of thing. I think you would be better off just going with like photo book, coffee table photo book. Let's try that. Let's look up coffee table. Look at that. Coffee table books right there. 10,165 results. So that's a great keyword right there. Coffee table books. And you've got some people searching for coffee table books. And we could even add photo to it. Coffee table photo books. 1,382 results. So lots of different things there. But I think that's what you want to work on, Jerry, is just working on those keywords and try and find some more specific keywords for the products. I think that's going to help you out a lot.